Hello, hello, good morning. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3 testing. Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello, hello. You guys can hear me, right? All right, okay, so let's do this trading plan for the day. I was just watching Bloomberg and they said that the headlines was stocks are set for a new high, to test a new high. So they are excited about the market today, about Powell talking. All right. So, anyways, let's go. Bullish is a little bit bullish. Not that much, but it is a little bit bullish because we are keep going down and down and down and down on VIX. Yields is pretty much like a not moving at all. But in the end of the day, we are lightly bullish, I would say. All right. So as it right now, remember that everything that I'm gonna tell you guys right now may not worth anything after 10. Depending on what Powell is going to say, is going to accelerate the plan, right? The targets, or it's going to go everything against. Okay. So what we have here, we have, as you guys can see already, the biggest bar of the day, the 610. 600 is the first target. We're gonna open around the 85, I guess, 85, right? So SPX is going to open around 85, around this level right here. So we're gonna open around this candle right here, 85. Okay. Now let's see what's going to be the movement on the opening. Remember that 615 points up is our first target, and 610 is our second target, and also line in the sand as it right now. If Powell says something really good for the markets, probably we're going to go there super fast and it's going to break and market makers are going to accelerate. We might be going to the 620. Okay, guys. Now, you guys remember that 85 was the biggest target for yesterday, actually was the target for the yesterday. And like yesterday, we spent like a, I don't know, well, 80% of the day in a range of 10 points. 80% of the day we were about 75, 85, 70, 80, 70, 80, 70, 80. And then in the night, during the night after the market closing, we reached the 85. And we are going to open around the 85. Market's going to go up, right? Now, the trading plan is if we stay above 85, right? So how do you know we're going to stay above 85? Take a look here on puts and calls on this chart right here. You have to see this white line is the price. You have to see the price trading in an area with a lot of blues and the red losing strength. You're going to be able to see this is going to lose strength on closest levels. Like you see that we are losing strength here and losing strength here. We're going to be probably trading on a blue area, and then you have to see the red losing strength close to the price, right? So that means we're going to stay above. So if we break the 25, stay above the 25, we're going to look for opportunities to buy towards 600. Now, 600 might be a bounce depending on the time that we reach this price. If we reach this price when Powell is talking and he says good things, probably we're not going to even have a bounce here. We're going to break this level straight, right? But in regular market conditions, 600 will be the first target and also a bounce, right? So we might have a bounce here, and then if we stay strong in calls, we're gonna find another opportunity to break, to buy the break and go to the 610. Okay. All right, that's the bullish bias. 600 bounce and then 610 if it keeps going up. Bearish bias. If Powell sees something that the market doesn't like so much, and like I don't know, it's just bad news. We might be breaking the 80, right? And then if we break 80, it's a danger zone. We're gonna have to wait for 75. Okay, so if we break the 80 and we see a lot of puts here and the price trading around the red area, and you see that the red area is getting stronger. You see the red area is getting stronger. We might be trading through 75. If we break 80, that could be a quick trade to the 75. Now, 75, we should have a bounce, all right? Is a bounce area as well. Now, if we don't bounce on 75, break 75 with a lot of puts, then we're gonna go to the 60 and we should hold and bounce on the 60. But if we break with a lot of puts again, like the day is really bearish, we're gonna go to this 50 and stop on the 50, okay? Now, if we lose the 80, price should be trading around 80, 80, 85, 80, 85. If we lose 80, we might try a quick trade to the 75, or we might wait to 75 and trade the bounce on 75. If the bounce happens, that's okay. That's a bounce from 75 to 85. Okay. So again, if we lose 80, it's a quick trade to 75 or wait to trade the bounce on 75. It's a risky trade because we're going to be going down, but it's a very possible bounce on 75. Now, if we have a bounce on 75, then 85 is the target, okay? Now, if we don't have the bounce on 75 and we break the 75, then we're going to start looking for opportunities to sell to 60, 560. It's another bounce, it's another target. If we have a bounce, should be going back to 75. If we don't have a bounce here, it's the 550 as the last target of the day, right? So very clear what's going to happen if we have a bullish day and what's going to happen if we have a bearish day. Bullish day, we're going to break and stay above 85. We're going to go to 600. We're going to bounce on 600. Then probably going to go back to 85 and come back again, or sorry, 80, 90, and come back again, break 600 and go to the 610 if it is bullish. If it is very bullish because Powell is going to say something really good, we're not going to have bounces and we're going to go all the way to 620 with small bounces, right? Now, if we have bearish, we're going to break 80. We're going to wait for 75 and trade the bounce on 75. If we break 75, we're going to trade the until 60, target 60. If we bounce 60, it's a bounce on 60. If we don't bounce 60, we're going to trade towards 50, okay? Now, your guide to tell you if we got a level, if we break a level, reject a level, is this guy right here. The price trading on a blue area means that we are bullish and we are getting levels as the blue area is getting stronger. The price trading on the red area and the red getting stronger means that we are losing strength and we are going to go down. All right, guys? If you guys have any questions, during the day, let me know on Discord. And if Powell talks and we see the opportunity, we're going to trade as he talks. All right? Okay, make sure you have your bots connected. Today, you're going to be able to choose, where is it? ES aggressive, ES moderate, NQ vida loca. And later, in a few hours, you're going to have the extreme as well. All right? ES. Okay, guys? So this is it for the day, and we keep talking. Yes, we're gonna have the VO app here, right? Now, the VO app you guys are going to see is the VO app that we have with our calculations. That could be a little bit different on the VO app on tradovate, but it is a VWAP, right? It is a proper calculation for a VWAP. I saw a lot of times bouncing this one. Sometimes it's 2, 3, 4, 2 points far from the real VWAP on tradovate, but who knows which one is the real? It's an area, all right? It's not a right point, it's an area, okay? All right, guys. So we keep talking Discord. I'm gonna finish the room to give you guys time to get everything ready to start trading. Wait, I'm gonna reload. O que está disponível também? O que está disponível? O que que você... Ah, all right. Programmer is telling me that the aggressive, extreme, moderate vida louca, extreme is now available for you guys as well. All right. Make sure that if you are going to trade extreme, you go to the bot section, select the extreme. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Vida louca, extreme assistant, generate the token and trade with the bot so you don't lose time on the trade. All right. Take care, everybody. Keep talking to you guys. And all signals are going to be working. And let's do this. Let's hope we have a better day today. Tomorrow was a very terrible day because the market was super bullish and moved it like 10 points. Today is going to be better. See you guys later. Take care. Bye bye.